Now me be the West Royal Zaddy.
Bro, I am not a musician, neither am I a music producer. But listen to my jam, bro. It's mad.
Why'd you roll you? Oh, 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 why'd you roll you? Hey, him na content creator, oh, 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 na video editor, him na dream maker, a film maker, no be shoemaker, but skit maker. Oh baby, ginger me, anything you talk I go follow. If you need music signature, make you call oh. Video editing make you call oh. Content creation make you call oh. Now me be the West Royal Zaddy.
Bro, it's mad, Abi. I tell you, are you a content creator? Are you a business owner? You are looking for a signature sound. This is a signature sound. This is a signature sound I'm using to promote my page. With this now, I will not have to go and look for any other sound from any other page, because if you use somebody's sound, they will give you violation. So with this signature sound, it's your own signature sound. With this, you are safe. So if you don't know how to do this, just DM me, send me a message, and I will share you the link. Are you a business owner and you are looking for how to promote your business? We got you covered. So just DM me and we'll run everything for you. Wise Royal, when you do all this one,